Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a sausage casserole. For this recipe you will need 1 pack of sausages. You can use vegetarian ones, I did a bit of both in this recipe. 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, 1 sachet of sausage casserole mix. I just got the Coleman's one from Morrison's, but Morrison's also do their own one, which I'm sure is just as good. 150 grams of mushrooms sliced, 2 onions diced, 3 cloves of garlic crushed, 2 bell peppers sliced, 1 tin of haricot beans, or any beans that you have in the cupboard. Okay, so we're first going to start by browning off your sausages. You can use vegetarian sausages if you prefer. I have done 1 pack of pork sausages and then 4 veggie sausages for myself. While your sausages are browning off, add to a large baking tray your sausage casserole mix and your chopped tomatoes. I used 2 tins of chopped tomatoes in the end, as I like lots of sauce, but 1 tin is plenty. Give it a good mix until they are combined, and then add in your beans. I'm using haricot beans, but really you can use whatever beans you have in the cupboard. Give it a little stir and add in your vegetables. I'm using peppers, onions and mushrooms, but feel free to switch up the veg if there's something you prefer or something you can't have. Another option would be to fry off your veggies a bit first. This just speeds up the cooking process, but this is completely up to you and it works just as fine popping them in raw. It just takes a bit longer to cook. Oh, and don't forget your garlic, because I nearly did. Now that your sausages are nice and browned, pop them on top and give it a little wiggle so that they're surrounded by the sauce. Like I said earlier, I have also used 4 meat-free sausages. To make sure we don't get them confused when serving up, I just make sure that the meat-free ones are going in a different direction. Pop it into the oven for a good hour or so until your veggies are nicely cooked and your sauce is thickened. Make sure your sausages are piping hot. Like I said before, if you've fried off all your veggies beforehand, the cooking time will be much less. And there you go, a very yummy and easy family meal. I have served mine with creamy mash and honestly it was so delicious, but you could also do like jacket potatoes or rice if you like that. Yeah, it's quite a good all-rounder really. Especially for cold days. It is really warming. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and I hope you really enjoy the recipe like I do. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and maybe share it with someone who you think might like it as well. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.